There we got the opening bell here on this Thursday morning, as it does look like a lower open, and people really anticipating the jobs report tomorrow. We actually have some earnings out this morning that we're going to talk about in just a moment as well. As we head towards the opening bell, we are seeing yields that are higher this morning. We are seeing stocks that are lower. We are watching large cap tech and beyond. Whoa. What are we looking at here, Brad?
I'm just toggling some charts over here, trying to populate it and make it look good for our viewers. But I put it on the year-to-date chart, and we are very early on in the year, so that's what you get, a solid triangle here on the year-to-date chart. But intraday out of the gate here, just to populate that, we'll give you a 2-day view. Over the past 2 days, net lower for the Dow Jones Industrial Average by about 0.1%, but 0.5% lower here out of the gate this morning, down 187 points early in trade. We're also taking a look at the NASDAQ Composite. You've got the tech-heavy average down by about 0.7%. The S&P 500, that's lower by a little more than 0.5% right now. And then just after the opening cross, taking a look at some of the sector activity here. A lot of red on the screen as of right now. Energy, the lone gainer, flat just barely to the upside right now. You've got some downward pressure, though, in materials. That's lower and leading the pack lower, at least right now, by about 1.5%. Also taking a look at real estate. That's down 1.3%. And then additionally, technology, consumer discretionary, they're also lower here on the day, as well as healthcare. So we'll keep a close eye on all those names. Let's also just take a brief check-in on some of the NASDAQ composites or some of the components in the NASDAQ composite, rather, where you've got mega cap tech also slipping out of the gate this morning. Of course, Amazon, we've been continuing to discuss them. Given the employee changes or the layoffs that they had announced, 18,000 employees going to be impacted by that, and that net combined with what they had already announced in November as well. So taking a look at Amazon right now, and we'll just put this on a 52-week chart. I got to remember to now put things on a 52-week chart just for a little bit until we get some more of the year-to-date data.
I kind of like those triangles, though. They're kind of fun.
Oh, man. Yeah, you get very vector-based charts at this point in time.